The B500 is a fully automatic grinding and polishing machine. It's designed for the processing of knives, which are used in the production and processing of sausages. The machine grinds bowl cutter knives up to 750 liters as well as involute knives. In the bowl cutting process, the cutting and emulsification or mixing of the raw material should be finished simultaneously. Also, the temperature must not get too high. Therefore, the shape and the profile of the cutting edge have to be fitted to each other and have to be ground accordingly. The grinding angle for the knife can be adjusted with an accuracy of 1 degree. The profile of the knife is being processed as prescribed. An edge which is processed in this way has a much longer lifetime. The grinding and polishing machine is fully encapsulated. This prevents metal and grinding corrosion as well as coolant water from escaping. A safety switch stops the machine when the hood is being opened during the grinding process. The grinding and polishing machine works fully automatically and switches off in case of any disturbance. Therefore, the operator can do other tasks during the processing of the knife, for example, fitting already ground knives into the bowl cutter. For the grinding process, the knife is being fixed onto a copy clamping plate. For every knife type, there is a tailor-made copy clamping plate which contains all information of the knife shape. For retooling the B500 to another knife type, the copy clamping plate is simply changed. This can be done in less than 1 minute. No programming of the machine is necessary. The knives are ground by a wet abrasive belt. The material removal stays constant with each grinding process. This reduces the effort for balancing the knives to a minimum. The machine takes off only as much material as absolutely necessary to make the knife sharp again. The wearing of expensive knives is being minimized. During the grinding process, the abrasive belt is permanently supplied with coolant water. This prevents the knives from overheating, which can damage the knife and lead to knife breakage. A coolant monitoring device switches the machine off automatically if there is insufficient cooling of the knife. The machine has a 4x polishing unit. 2 polishing brushes, each on the upper and on the lower side of the knife, take off the burr from the edge and give the knife a fine surface. The PLC control unit makes the B500 easy to operate. Often used functions are operated by switches. The grinding sequences can be programmed individually. Once they are saved in the memory of the machine, they can be selected by the program selection switch. With the B500, every knife gets the optimum profile and a precise angle of the edge at every grinding process.